So what we're going to do today, we're going to make a padlock from this material. This is a piece of mild steel. All right, as you can see, this is a three-dimensional drawing, and this is the detailed drawing of the padlock. All right, so that's what we're going to be doing today. All right. All right, so we're using a milling machine to get it level to establish our datum. All right. Establish a datum for all set.
That's off, isn't it? That's almost
Well, that's what I don't find. So you start the whole team.
Oh, man.
Mark left.
I'll bang you right now.
Mark left. Mark left. Bro,
It goes out.
I promise you, if it goes out, yeah, let's restart the whole thing.
It's gonna go out.
We're going to restart the whole thing. Hand on hot. Hand on hot. Austin. No, Juliet and Austin. We're making restart.
This was the second datum. All right, ready. We're gonna go to the bench, do some work now. Okay, so we're gonna debar, get rid of the bars of the material using a file. All right, all these bars we're gonna get rid of it. All right, so we put it in the vise, clamp it, slant your file like this. Get rid of the bars of it. Okay. Okay, no worse. Good. So now we're gonna add engineer's glue, right? So that we can see all the lines. So we put a little bit of that. And then we cover the entire material with it. Okay, good. Very good. What we're gonna do, we're gonna establish two datum, right? 2 points are where we're going to take measurements from. So this one was done on the machine, so we can label it as one, and another side, this side and that side, stock from the stock material, you can label it as 2. Okay, so these are the sides that we're going to be taking our measurements from. So we're going to place it here on a marking out table. And here we have angle plate. We're gonna mark the measurements. All right. Here we have a drawing. So we're gonna be doing the measurements using a vernier height gauge. Okay. All right. So the first measurement that we're gonna be doing. All right. If you look at the drawing. All right, we're gonna do some horizontal measurement. So we're gonna do 19. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I'm marking the angle. This angle here, 45 degrees. Okay, so right here. Okay, so here we have most of our marking out. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of that part, and then we do the other part of the shape. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna punch the center, this center, that center, and that center, right, for drilling. Okay, so we're gonna just punch it. So cut. Center punch. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna center punch the centers, right? This one, that one, another one here for drilling, okay? Drilling the hole. Okay, so we're gonna drill the holes in the material for the hook part, right? Okay, let's go. All right, we're using a 10mm bit for the cutout part. Okay, so we're drilling the other part. These holes. So we're going to a depth of 15 millimeters. The machine is already set. Right here. Machine is already set 15. Alright. Almost there. Okay, we are half pouring that part for the group. Yeah. This side now. Okay. Part for the groove. Okay. All right. Bit and this bit right now. Okay. So clamping the machine in the vise. Got it. Can work with that. We got that groove right there. We got an angle. We're gonna do the radius now. So the radius, put it like that. It's an angle.
It's not all the way up. I saw I'm done. It is. Because when you take that film from us, I saw I'm done.
Okay. Good. Alright. Radius number 2. Hold it at an angle like this. This motion. We're looking good. Final. So I'm pretty. Alright, so going all the way to 35. Okay. That's good. Okay guys, so we're gonna be bending this part now, okay? So that we can have that hook on the padlock. Alright, so we're gonna put it in here, the bender. We'll set up. Okay. Alright, see my line right there. Okay, make sure it's solid. And then we're gonna bend. Release it. Just need to be a bit open. Alright, that's the hook. We're gonna cut it off and make sure that's right. Stay tuned. Alright, so I'm gonna be making some screws some nuts rather from this one. Alright, nut for the lock. This is the lock and the nut goes here. So we're gonna be making that right now from this brass material. So let's put it in. I'm gonna make probably about 2. Put that in. Alright. Tighten. Okay. Get my goggles on. You should get a nice finish from this. For separation, face it off. Very nice. Okay, we're looking for a diameter of 15. Give this a check. Okay. So this is saying what, 16? Okay, so we're looking for 15. And set this. Set it to 0. Okay. Let's set it again. Alright. We need to take off like 1 mil, about 1 mil. So we'll take off 0.5 first. Automatically. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm not going to take off the entire 1 mil. I'm going to drill the holes first before I take off the additional 0.5 millimeter, right? Okay, so that. Stay tuned. Okay, so now I'm going to be drilling the hole in the nut. So put that in my tailstock. Okay. Center drill. Okay, bring this down a little bit more. This in place. Okay, so I'm open. Alright. Goggles on. Okay. So the center drill, just to find the center of it. Alright. Okay. So now I'm gonna change the drill. Put another size in it. 5mm bits. Alright, make sure that I tighten this part. Okay. Start again. Drill. We can drill as far as possible because we're going to be making more than one nut. Here, that hole. Okay, that's the drilling part done. Very nice. Okay. Alright, so next I'm gonna get it down to 15. I think I should check it first. Alright, so let me check. See exactly. Glasses on. Okay. Alright, this is saying 15.2. Alright, so I'm going to take out 0.2. So 0, start machine, 0.2, 0.1. About that. Automatic. That should be my final outside diameter. Very nice material, looks like gold. Okay, cut it a little long. Very pretty. Alright, great. So that's the turning diameter. So stay tuned next. So we're going to be knurling the nut right now. Okay, so I get a very slow speed. Alright, under the slowest speed. This is my knurling tool in. Alright. I'm going to knurl the entire thing, so I start from here. I'm going to put on it. Knurling that is to make the pattern on it. Okay, I think I'm going to start from this side down. Let's go again. Let's go. Oh, something's not right. Hold on. Okay, I think this. I need to tighten this a bit. It's moving. Yeah. Let's tighten this. Okay.
Is that an angle?
Yeah, so I'm going to be making the thread in the knot. Alright, tap wrench, tap. Okay, so you put it in, and put the tap wrench on it. Okay, careful. Now, close this. Put that in a little bit. Alright, you turn that. Turn it with the hand. Put this down a little bit. Okay, once you have started,
I'll show you.
right, you don't have to use the center again. Alright. Definitely you will see the finished product when we're done. So stay tuned. Okay, so I'm gonna do the knurling now, right? Make a finger grip with this one. So this is my knurling tool. Make sure you tighten it properly. Alright. I need a very slow speed. Yeah, very slow speed. Okay. I'm gonna start from inside out. I think my knurling tool is a bit off. Okay. Slowly go towards the end. It looks very good. Alright, that's the knurling. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so here we have all the parts for a padlock. We have the hook, we have the body, and we have the nut. Okay, so we're gonna put them together now to get our final piece. Alright. So this one goes in here. Alright. Screw this together. Alright, so we close it like this. Okay? That's it. Lock. Open it. So we open it. Unscrew this. That's it. That's our padlock. Alright guys, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned a lot.